Good morning, sir. Oh boy, how are you? How is work? Work is very fine, sir. I've been observing you, sir. You've been here for close to 2 hours. I was expecting that you would place an order so that I could serve you. But you've just been here pressing your phone, I've been waiting. Is there anything I can help you with, sir? Don't mind me. I'm on one WhatsApp group, one make money online WhatsApp group. I am bombarding the admins with question upon question. Don't mind me. That's why you see I'm holding my phone like this. But you are supposed to be a waiter. As a waiter, you will wait.
It is smoky.
Waiters are meant to wait till customer will place an order. But since you are here already, do you have a pepper soup?
Oh yes, sir. We have pepper soup. We have chicken pepper soup. A plate is 5,000. We have a beef pepper soup. That one is 3,000. We also have amazing catfish pepper soup, point and kill. You will love it, sir. It is 4,500. So which one should I get for you, sir?
Calm down. Your blood is too hot. Calm down. Is it sweet? The pepper soup, all this pepper soup you are talking about now, is it sweet?
100% delicious, sir. You will love it. I guarantee you will love it.
What will you say? Are you sure? Marketers, that's what you will say. That I will love it. Are you sure?
Are you playing? What type of plane is this? This is playing.
Well, there's only one way you can find out. Just order a plate, sir. Order a plate. Then you'll find out.
No. I can't just order a plate like that now. I need to know what I'm going into before I put my money. You understand? Okay, see, listen. What kind of pepper did you use to cook the pepper soup?
This evening you will die.
Ghana pepper, sir.
You see, this is why this country is not moving forward. Nobody is patriotic. A Nigerian restaurant using Ghana pepper to cook. That is not patriotic. You people left the whole of Nigeria. You did not see pepper to use. You had to go to Ghana to use their pepper. Are they using Nigerian pepper in Ghana restaurants? You see the problem of this country?
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you. Waiting they want this one. Who will be this one?
Sir, please, which one would you like to order, sir?
Well, now talking about the chicken pepper soup. What type of chicken did you people use? Is it native fowl or agric?
I am too much.
Sir, we have our own poultry. Our chicken is from our poultry, sir.
Okay, you people have a poultry. Maybe I will have to inspect the poultry. I need to know how you people raised the chicken that I want to put in my stomach now. Health is wealth. I don't joke with my health. So how do you people source the fish you use for your catfish pepper soup and also the beef?
Sir, we partner with a farm that supplies us. Would you like to kindly place your order now? Other customers are waiting. Please, sir.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Okay, moving on. Let's talk about the taste. How does your pepper soup taste in the mouth?
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play. You dey use your next generation to play. You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good. You are doing lunatic encyclopedian petriculation of Jajatica.
Oga, it is delicious.
Come on, you can do better. Delicious is just a general word. I expect you to be more specific when describing the taste. So don't tell me that you don't eat what you sell. You should be able to give customers a review
Okay, you say it's delicious. Is it spicy? What about the aftertaste? I mean, when you drink water after eating it, what kind of vibe does it leave in your mouth?
No. See, Oga, just tell me you don't have money and stop stressing me. They say the taste of the pudding is in the eating. How can I be here describing taste to you when you can just find out by yourself by placing an order? And you say you are pressing your phone, that you are bombarding the admins of one WhatsApp group with questions. Your type is the one that will go about joining every business WhatsApp group on earth. If they send you any referral link, you will join, not with the intention of putting money. All you go and do on WhatsApp groups is to be asking big questions. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you will not put money in the business. Every new day there's a new question from you. You'll be pretending like you don't understand the business as an excuse to cover up your poverty and broke mentality. Nonsense. Just to cover your shame. You don't have money, so that the admin will not remove you. You'll be asking stupid questions on WhatsApp groups. For over 3 hours, you have been here watching other people eat. I don't know the joy you are deriving from watching other people enjoy. That's how you join different business WhatsApp groups. You will be there observing as people are making money while you continue to remain in perpetual poverty. Since we put free Wi-Fi in this our restaurant, miscreants like you will come here and be acting like they want to eat. They'll be wasting time using our free Wi-Fi to go to betting sites like Bet Naija to place bets. What kind of nonsense is this? Miscreant like you are here enjoying our air conditioner and using our free Wi-Fi, pretending that you don't understand our food yet. It's our food mathematics that you want to understand. Oga, get up and get out of here. To all group admins out there of any business WhatsApp group, and to all network marketers that run WhatsApp and Telegram groups, let me give you one big secret. When you introduce the basics of your business to any serious person and you show them proof of how it works, the serious ones will key in immediately. The ones that are not interested will tell you immediately and they will back off. You see those ones that will remain on your WhatsApp and Telegram group, disturbing you with technical questions upon questions every day. Every new day there's a brand new difficult question that will waste your time. They are broke. They don't have the money. Remove them from your group. They are time wasters. It is not only on WhatsApp group. So look at this man in my restaurant now. Other customers are giving me money. He is giving me problems and question upon questions.
God have mercy upon us.
Restaurants where people come and eat. WhatsApp groups where people do business and make money. You enter there, you turn yourself to professor, asking questions every day. I don't understand. Oga, get up and get out of here.
No.